money for a shovel review.
I can see the shovel movement. I can see. By the time it gets to me, I'm not gonna get wet. This is Schenectady style in Troy. This is Schenectady style in Troy.
Got a Wilson family dozen right here.
You can take a Wilson out of the hood, but you can't take the hood out of a Wilson. Look at that rhythm.
What is that?
He's like Gloria Estefan. It's like Janet Jackson. It's part of the Rhythm Nation.
Quarter of the way full already.
This is well worth damage to the phone.
Couldn't even get it towards you.